Now it's time to discuss pitch and tuning. When we play with other people, it's really, really important that we agree on the general pitch of a note or a group of notes. When we tune the flute, when we first put our flute together, it's pretty standard to leave about this much space in between the body and the head joint. It's maybe a couple of centimeters. When I pull really far out, and by pull I mean gently twisting, so not to hurt the flute, let's really be extreme. Do you see all of this rough metal? I've pulled out this far and my head joint is sticking way out this way. I'm going to play a note now. This is an A. If I was looking at a tuner, it would register as saying really, really, really flat, which is lower than the average, lower than perfect in tune. So flat that it almost says it's the note lower. It's a sharp note lower. That's really, really flat. If I push all the way in, now from here, gently twisting all the way in, there's no room, there's no metal showing. It's just all, the head joint is all the way in. I'm going to play the same note. Completely different. And the only thing that I changed was where the head joint fit into the body of the flute. So we want a nice compromise. From here, that was way too sharp. Sharp or higher than the pitch that we are intending. We want to make it flat. To make a note flat on the flute, we pull our head joint out. To raise the pitch, we push the head joint in. Again, a nice compromise on most flutes is a couple centimeters pulled out. And we're aiming for something that is perfectly in tune, which we can find by looking at a tuner. When looking at your tuner and the small dial on the tuner, notice which direction the dial is leaning. Right, left, or in the center. If the dial leans right, that means that your pitch is higher or more sharp than in tune. If the dial points left, that means your pitch is lower or flat than in tune. In tune would be directly center, directly up and down. Usually there's a little green arrow at the top that says, yes, you're in tune, or on the other side, 2 red arrows that might warn you of one direction or the other. But it's really nice to take a visual and check and make sure that your note is in tune. And that is a perfectly in tune A, which will hopefully be in tune with all of your other colleagues and friends who are also playing at the same time. That's how we play at the same time, and it sounds really great instead of sounding like a bunch of crazy noise. So, after we decide that our instrument is in tune, in general, our instrument is positioned in the right place, we can still have notes that sound funny, notes that are still a little bit out of tune, even though the instrument itself is generally in the right position. I'll demonstrate by playing Mary Had a Little Lamb. Listen for the very top note. The first time I play it, I'm going to play it purposely low, purposely flat. See if you can hear the difference. Maybe you spotted it. It's a small detail, but the note sounds kind of funny. It doesn't fit in with the rest. Here's the same thing, but I'm going to intentionally make the highest note, the F, sharp or too high. Again, again, that F stuck out, but in the wrong way. It stuck out because it didn't match the general pitch of the other notes. Last time, I'm going to play it all in tune. If you were to watch a tuner while I was playing that, the dial would be generally straight up and down in the center, every note being in tune. You might have noticed when I was making that F slightly low or slightly high, out of tune both directions, I moved my head around and I moved my airstream as well. That's a quick and easy fix to change the pitch of a note. Not always the best option, but if you hear that your F is too high, you can aim the air and your head down. If you hear that your F is too low, you can aim the air and your head a bit higher, a bit, slightly. But you'll hear, if I do it drastically in extremes, you can hear a huge difference in the pitch of the note just by where I put my air and my head. I wasn't changing anything about where my head joint was. I was changing the air and my head direction and the angle that my air was hitting the embouchure hole. That, in a nutshell, is tuning and pitch on the flute.